Hi, it's Etish. I'm coming to you from your driving academy. So thank you for joining us on this webinar titled Everything You Need to Know About Driving Lessons and COVID-19. So first and foremost, I pray you and your family are in good health. And I want to thank you for taking the necessary steps to help reduce or doing your part to help reduce the spread of the virus. And hopefully this all will be over soon. Let's look at some of the topics that we'll be covering in this webinar. So I'll be answering your questions regarding your driving lessons and COVID-19. I'll give you an update on the theory test, the practical driving test. The government have made an exception for critical workers, which we'll speak about, and also bridging the gap. So what you can do during this time to aid your learning. And finally, we're going to end with a competition where you can enter to win £150 towards your driving lessons. So can you take driving lessons whilst in lockdown? For most of you, the answer is no. Given clear instructions by the government regarding COVID-19, we've asked all our driving instructors to stop delivering driving lessons with immediate effect. However, the government have made an exception for critical workers. So if you're a critical worker, the job requires you to drive, then you are able to continue taking driving lessons and book an emergency driving test. We recognize that most of you cannot continue with driving lessons, and we will resume driving lessons when it's safe to do so. So driving tests. New applications for provisional licenses have been postponed, so you cannot apply for your first provisional license. Theory tests have been cancelled until the 8th of May. If you have a theory test booked, you will receive an email. Now, for those whose theory has expired during this time or will expire, legally the theory test certificate cannot be extended. So if your theory certificate has or will expire, you will need to book and pay for another theory test. Practical driving tests have been suspended for up to 3 months from the 20th of March 2020. And if you have a driving test booked, you will receive a new date, and it's likely to be around 3 months from your initial date. To cancel your driving test for full refund, you can email the DVSA to request this. Your driving license number, theory test pass certificate number, and your driving test booking reference number needs to be included in that email. If you don't have a driving test booked, currently you cannot book a driving test. Now let's look at the exception for critical workers. So you're a critical worker if your work is critical to the coronavirus response. So this includes if you work in health and social care, education and childcare, key public services, local and national government, food and other necessary goods, public safety and national security, transport, utilities, communication, and financial services. You can apply for an emergency test if your work is critical to the coronavirus response, and you can apply online at this link. This is on the official DVSA Gov.uk website. You need to upload a scanned image or photo of at least one of the following: your work ID badge, an email to your work email address from your employer confirming you work for them, or a letter on a headed paper confirming you work for them. If you're a critical worker and would like to book driving lessons, call our customer services team on 0116 4300 135. We at Your Driving Academy, we're playing our part in helping reduce the spread of the virus. Furthermore, we want to reduce the risk of the virus spreading to our staff, their families, and other key workers they may interact with. So if you're a critical worker, we strongly suggest you review your position and only if it's deemed necessary to fulfill your role, we would encourage emergency driving lessons and the emergency driving test. Now, bridging the gap. So what you can do during this time to aid your learning. So the last time you would have had a driving lesson was a few weeks or maybe a couple of months ago. And eventually when you do get behind the wheel again, there'd be a large gap. So we want to look at how we can bridge that gap. And most learners, if not all learners who are not taking driving lessons during this time, are concerned. They're worried that they'll forget what they've learned. So what can you do about it? The biggest thing you can do to aid your learning is use this time to learn the theory behind the practical. I'm not talking about the theory test. If you haven't passed your theory test, then I'd strongly recommend you do work on that. But if you've been taking driving lessons, then you need to learn the theory behind the practical. So let me give you an example. So let's talk about approaching a roundabout. So when you're approaching a roundabout, firstly, you need to be able to recognize you're approaching a roundabout. You need to look and understand, look at the direction board, understand the direction board, take the necessary information from the board, which you can use to help you with your approach to the roundabout and execute the roundabout correctly. So this is what I mean when I talk about this theory behind the practical. Now, your driving academy normally serves over 250 learner drivers every single week. And we have a responsibility to each and every learner, learning with us or not, to help how we can during this difficult time. We're taking this opportunity to help YDA learners, learner drivers in Leicester and across the country with driving lessons online. So what is driving lessons online? It's an online course and where you'll find videos covering a range of topics. We'll be doing webinars. You can watch real driving tests being conducted, and you'll have access to fully qualified driving instructors who will answer any questions you may have and much more. I'll tell you how you can find out more about driving lessons online in a moment. Finally, the competition for a chance to win £150 towards your driving lessons. You can enter on our website. Visit www.yourdrivingacademy.co.uk/win. Once you've entered the competition, you'll receive details on how to access the driving lessons online course. So that's all your questions answered. So don't forget to take part in the competition. Visit this link now, and also you'll then receive details on how to access the driving lessons online. Thank you for joining us on this webinar. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and we'll see you soon.